Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uh, uh, create Azure Container Services and deploy container services. So it's getting started with Azure Container Services. Uh, so I'm going to create uh, everything from scratch. So the first thing that we will be doing is we will uh, click on the uh, Cloud Shell, and here I have I will paste some commands that you need to run. For example, if this extension is not added, the container app, so you need to add it in your Cloud Shell. So this will add. I already run this command. I will not run it. And then another is that you need to register your container. So okay, that command is this is the command that you will run. Okay. So I already didn't. I don't run that command again. So and another command that you can run is if you want to have the insight for to view insight for your container service, so you can run this research application inside. And I already done those, so I'm not running them. So then the things that we will be running today is we will create some variable. For example, I'm pasting the comment here. I create these vars for let's say the resource group name. I'm giving it 3. Oops, sorry. Var rg name is for the resource group name, so I'll give it 3. Then the location, I'm selecting US East, and the container environment that we want to create, so I'm creating with a random number. I can't find that random, so we will run this command. Okay, once you run your command, you can I'm pasting you can run this command easy group create. It will create a resource group, and then the location that we create the variables, which was USC, so it will create the resource group and the location. Okay, so you can see now that the resource group is created, and then the location, and then well, run this command. This one, it will create a container app environment. So, and then there is the name of the container app that is specified, the resource group that we specified. So that's why we define the variable, so that we can use it in our command. So I will run this command. So it's taking some time. I'm waiting for the operation to complete. I'll pause and come back. Okay, so now we see that the container is created, environment is created, and then that. So okay, we can see. Sorry, you can see the details. So now I'm running the final command. So okay, here I'm getting the creating the container app. So we created an environment. Now we are creating the container app and giving it a name, and then find the resource group and then the environment. And here is the image that you specify. So I'm pulling the image from one of the Microsoft Hello World container images. So once you have your own image, so you put you upload it in the container registry and put the path here in this line. So and then the target port is here and ingress external. So ingress, like if you put internal, the container will only communicate internally between the containers, so that it will not have access. It will not allow access to public. So, but external, it allow access to both. You put the ingress external. So then the query properties. So that we run the query to get the qualified, fully qualified name of the container. So I will run this command. Oh, so there's some missing failed template container. Okay, so let me check that. Okay, I found there's a problem with the command. So here I'm passing the extra latest on the container source, the image source. So that's I removed that. So I'm running the command again. So we will run it again. Okay, you see the container app created successfully, and then it give us the link to the container. I will click the link, so you can see that our container app is deployed and it's running. So this is the very basic and getting started with the Azure Container Services. So if you come now, if we go to our resource group, okay, if you go to the resource group, and I will, okay, I think we don't need the command line right now. Okay, so if you go to the resource group and then my container registry, you can see that we have my container environment that we created, and then the logged analytic workspace, and then the container app. If you click the container app, here you can also have the link to your container. You can navigate to the container, to the application. So then you can see the details. Here are some other properties that revision issues, so we don't have, and on the monitoring you can also see the details, the CPU usage, memory, and network bytes. So you can see those details. And also if you came to the revisions, you can see currently we have only one. You can create new revisions from here, and you can specify a name and the termination grace period. By default, I think it's 30 seconds. Yeah, so you can set the name, and then you can set the container image. So let's create one. For example, you need to type a small ref3. I'm not changing the termination grace, so default is good. And here you can select the container. Also, if you click, you can see that you can on the scale section you can scale the replicas, so maximum of 10. So you can add more, and then secret volume, so will not be changing to string binding, so just I will create the vision. Okay, you can see the revision is deployed. So, and then this okay, let me make this one. You see it's activating. This shows activating. If we refresh our page, so you can see that the previous container it's deprovisioning, and then this one is running. So you can you can check the inactive revisions here and active revisions here. Once let's see, once this is finished. Okay, now you can see our first container revision is now here, the inactive one. So the active one is here. So this is, I mean, there's a lot of other things we will cover it in the next session, but this was getting started on how you can create and run create and use Azure Container Services, create containers, and run an app on the Azure Container Services. So, and under the container, so there's containers, so you can see the containers and a skill replicas thing here, and then that indication and secret. So, I mean, you can we can cover these details later on the next session. But for the purpose of this session, so if I bring my node here, so I will so these are the commands that we run for creating environment and then creating a container and to Azure Container Services. Hope you enjoyed it, and this again, it was just getting started with Azure Container Services. We in the next session we'll go ahead and create a microservice architecture application with Azure Container Services and some other tools like console and Dapper and more. So thanks. Have a good day.